खोर्ले ओल्ड गोवा सोमारात जाल्ल्या एक्सिडेंटा उपरांत राज्यात सगळीकडेन येरादारीचे नेम मोडप्यांचेर खर कारवाय करपाचें काम बुधवारच्यान सुरू जालें. बुधवारा 1358 जाणांक जाल्यार बिरेस्तारा 1368 जाणांक तालाव दिलो. शुक्रारा हो आंकडो वाडून 1447 जालो. पुलीस आपलें काम करीत आसा, तरी पूण नेम मोडप्यांचो आंकडो मात वाडत आसा. पुलिसांनी शुक्रारा दिल्ले तालाव. हेल्मेट घालूंक नाशिल्ले 712, मोबायलार उलोवन गाडी चलोवपी 3, सीट बेल्ट बांदूंक नाशिल्ले 82, निश्काळजीपणान गाडी चलोवपी 17, सोरो पिवन गाडी चलोवपी 7, गाडयांचे ग्लास काळे केल्ले 7, हेर केसीस 619. पुलीस यंत्रणा आपलें काम करीत आसा, पूण लोकूच निश्काळजीपणान वागतात अशें फाटल्या 3 दिसांत दिसून आयलां. हेल्मेट घालिनासतना गाडी चलोवप, पुलीस दिसत जाल्यार वेगांत गाडी व्हरप असले प्रकार घडत आसा. पुलीस करतले तरी कितें?
The difficulty what we find is sometimes these children, by seeing the police on the road, they speed up their bikes and run away, try to run away from there. And in that one sometimes they meet with the accident. So to avoid that one, we are conducting some lectures in the schools also.
You ever call their parents?
Yes, we call the parents, and whenever we are catching any minor boy or any student who is not having the driving license and riding the motorcycles, we are calling their parents. We are educating them. We are telling them that it should not happen, and also we are giving them fine. Also, the fine is whatever is the fine to the person who is riding the motorcycle. More than that is the fine for the parents who are giving their bikes to the children.
Bureau Report, Prudent.